What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we have a special project episode. We're making Dragon Ball cocktails.
Okay.
All right, let's get into this drink, huh? You want to? All right. First thing we want to focus on is creating our ice spheres, aka Dragon Balls. All right. So I got these Tavola ice molds. I will put links in the description below of all the equipment I use. I got like 4 of these things. I have one here I'm gonna show you. I got 3 cooking in the freezer right now. So let's go. Sync view! Hi, hello. We are just gonna fill this mold up. There's a line in here, but I like to fill it a little bit higher than that line. I feel like it works best, okay? All right, we're gonna put that in the freezer. Or should I say freezer? Set that in the freezer. Now, it's gonna take a total of 4 hours to get the sphere that we want, but you wanna flip it after 2 hours, halfway through, right? 2 hours. Let's drink. Flip. Let's set our timer for 2 more hours. All right, so we got our ice spheres frozen 4 hours. That's gonna give us a nice thick shell on the outside, but it's gonna leave it hollow on the inside. We just need to pierce it and drain the water. I got a pot of boiling water, and I got this little what is this, skewer thing. I'm just gonna let it sit. So we got our hot prong here, and we're just gonna melt that knob away. Put it back in the water, come back in, pierce a hole in the top of this thing. Boom, we are in. So I got this kitchen syringe. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you wanna pick this up. I got it off of Amazon. I'm just gonna insert that into the hole and suck all that water out. And then we're just gonna take it out of the mold. Take a paper towel, wipe it down really quickly. Shit! We're just gonna add it to our collection. I made a few last night as well. We wanna get a total of 7. So we wanna put it upright because there's still a little bit of water on there. It's gonna seep down when we put it back in the freezer and create a base so it can stand up on. Wow. All right, so we're gonna do it with the other 2. We're gonna put that back in the freezer, and we're just gonna let it freeze for another 5 minutes. Cool? We are gonna draw some stars on some red cardboard paper. Got this from Michael's. That store is so weird.
Why is it weird?
It's so just crafty. All right, so we're gonna just draw some little stars. You wanna get in here? And
I don't.
Yeah.
Just draw the star.
I am not an arts major. Maybe you should be drawing these stars.
I'm not an arts major either. I think people know how to draw a star.
No, they don't.
I think we're fine.
Nobody knows how to draw a star. It's tough. It's tough out here. All right, so we're gonna draw 4 down like that, and we're gonna cut them out because we're gonna try to get 7 on 1 cut. Decided to cut out the stars 1 by 1. This is a freaking nightmare. So maybe stickers. Oh my God, we should have did stickers. Finally, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little salt solution. Okay. Salt here. Man, a little bit of salt. Not that much. We're just gonna put some water in there. We're just gonna stir that up. So, salt is dissolved in the water. We are gonna pour that on our plate of stars. Why are we doing that? So that they stick to the ice sphere. It's gonna melt the ice on the sphere, but then it should quickly refreeze to fuse the stars onto the sphere. And we've been freezing this marble platter. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna leave it flat in here, and each one that we finish, we're gonna put on this marble platter. All right, let's start off with the 7-star Dragon Ball. So we're gonna take some of our stars here. Boop. I'm just gonna place it right on the ball, kind of press it. Seven-star ball. Set this right on the platter. 6-star Dragon Ball. All right, we got our 7 Dragon Balls in the freezer. We're gonna let them sit on the platter in the freezer for like 5 more minutes. Let's get our drink going, which is what we're gonna fill them with. All right, we're gonna do an orange blossom. The recipe is also in the description below. Check it out. We are gonna do equal parts gin, equal parts orange juice, freshly squeezed, and equal parts sweet vermouth. We didn't get the sweet vermouth from the store. No matter, I will instant transmission to the store. Got it. Start off our drink, we are gonna squeeze some orange juice. Let's throw some ice into our shaker. We got half a cup of gin, half a cup of orange juice, and half a cup of sweet vermouth. So I'm just gonna shake this, it's pretty full. Just wanna get the ingredients combined. All right. Get out all your Dragon Ball figures because we are ready to present the cocktail. Got our balls. Drink. It's nice and cold. Syringe. Nice and syringey. And
Oh!
dome over top. And we're gonna fill it with some smoke. We have some cherry wood, and I have this little smoker here. So we're just gonna take some of these cherry wood pieces. I got hose. Turn it on and light it up. All right, and this is the Dragon Ball cocktail. Dragon Ball Z Dragon Ball cocktail. They say that if you drink all 7, Shenron will come out and grant you 3 wishes.
Who's
So-
Shenron?
Oh my god. And that is just delicious too. Oh my god. I cannot believe this worked. We have to drink all these before they melt.
Are you serious?
Yes. What? What do you mean? We gotta get our wish granted. What I truly wish for is to become Super Saiyan. Thank you guys for bearing with me on this project episode. If you guys like this at all, like, throw a like on there. I don't know if we should do more or what. I have a couple other Dragon Ball Z cocktail ideas actually. So I'd say like, all right, if we get 100,000 likes on the vid, I'm totally kidding. If we get 7 likes on the video, I will do another one. All right, 7. Who am I kidding? If we get 0 likes, I'm gonna do another one anyway. I don't care. This is awesome. We have to drink 7.